something like this would pop up. So what Google has looked at, so this is one that I sent to myself in advance, just in cases, is it looks at your calendar and says, okay, I'm going to pick some arbitrary times and dates. And it is arbitrary at the moment. There's no way to say only show morning times or only show times on a Thursday. It does just look at your main calendar and look for breaks in the week that aren't scheduled on your main calendar. So again, you can't pick other calendars to block out time or availability. So there's a way to go, but it is a good starting point. And you can manually change this when the tool is available. But in this case, I selected previously the defaults and sent it to this person to say, here's some times that work for me. So when they get this email, they can just click on the time that works for them. Share that tab, and it comes up to now this is what a Google account user will see, obviously, because Google has access to their calendar. External users won't see these kind of no conflicts readings because Google doesn't have access to that. But you can view your calendars to make sure that there aren't any conflicts, or you can just book now. And so that is the standard process that happens when somebody books you through appointment schedule. Now, both people will get the indicator